Hello friends and traders, welcome back. In this quick demonstration we are going to offer an idea where all the swings are known to mankind upfront. This is a chart of QQQ and it is on a daily time frame. We can put any time frame we like because we are going to use the pivots which are generated by the time frame we are trading itself and align this tool and overlay this on top of these pivots. All right, that's the whole story, and for that reason it is called range axis aligned circles. And as I said, let's show you. This is QQ chart on daily time frame. So what does that really mean to axis align? If I put this circle here, I'm using the pivot high and pivot low for this swing, and I see that this line, it is aligned properly on the beginning, not in the end. I'm expecting to put it here, so I need to shift it, and there it is. So that is the reason it is called axis aligned circle. You can use zigzag tool, you can use again zigzag tool or zigzag tool. There's so many kinds of zigzag tools out there, right? I'm just using what we call as a visual inspection of the pivot. You can see that 2 on the left and 2 on the right. So what we have here, if this is a pivot, 2 on the left, we have this phenomena of higher highs on each side, right? So that is a 5-bar pattern of defining a pivot. All right, that's the reason I used it. So anyway, the point is, once we do this, what do we have? We have the termination point, which is expressed by these yellow lines. Market came here, reflected, and this is Q. And then also the circles are so powerful when the time is up, right? The whole idea of circle, it is giving us time and price curvature. All right, and there it is. Market captures the circle again, then times goes on, then this hits again, it goes out, right? But we are trying to trade at these yellow lines. That's why they are colored differently. Intraday, we do a lot of things with this. We curve fit the internal circles and we get a lot more information. So we got this low and we got this low. So that makes sense, right? All right. It does, of course. You are 369 masters of the universe after all. Now let's go to this one. So I axis align this low and this huge pivot, it came down, right? It went up again. Where is the market going? We can now trust these levels. So you got the idea. So let's go here and see what's going on this side. Now if I tell you that I'm gonna put it here, and we can then project where we are going next. So I'll do the same thing here. I think you are interested in the money is on the right side, not the left side. This is axis aligned circle. Now if I tell you market is axis aligned on this, is going here, you'll be shocked that is this even a possibility? Well, according to the structure of the market, it can happen in 6 months from now, 3 months from now, next 1 month, right? So that is where now we watch this. right? We watch this, we'll trace it and track it. Now market is curvature, right? Every day by day this is going to change. As market rotates up and down, this is going to change. It may come and hit it here. Okay, let's see. Let's put it this way. Since 369 folks demands nothing less than perfection, let's give them perfection. I'm doing it really precisely. All right, precisely aligned to the tick. Line is aligned, and this is what we get. So now what can happen? It is not just gonna go like this in one day. There could be an event which can pull the market 18%, 20%. After 20% has been successfully broken and you stay below this, you become a bearish market. 18%, if you watch the history of time and price, you will see at 18% they stop it. And that's the structure of the market you need to understand by statistics. So if once you have this definition, now this can go on sideways for like say 1 month, and it can come and touch here and take off. It can go down and take off. So there's so many touch points on yellow lines where it can take off. That is why we have to wait as it approaches. The extreme scenarios, what we're talking about, possibilities are these vertical centers flipped sideways, which basically means this is our, if market just, if you need to flatten some structure, right? I cannot tell you it's gonna hit here, 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 here. Not with this tool, right? For that we need to use timing tools. That market is going to be here and here. Or we can say market will merge at this time in price. So here it is. I hope you see how this works out. Intraday, same thing. If you want to do it on ES, let's take a quick example of ES. This is 1 minute chart of ES. This is time and price merger chart. Not for any other discussion, just for the sake of this circle. Let's bring it here. Okay, without wasting time, I put it here. Market opened at 9:30 right here. We had a high, and I put it on this axis alignment. Okay, then what happens? Now this is where I was saying, intraday, we like to curve fit few things to find the right pivot, which is touching the circle. Market came down, it hit the circle, went up, hit the same circle on the other side, came down, hit the same circle, this same circle. These two circles, if you look at right here, are being respected here on the other side, came back to the other side, right? Bottom of the circle, top of the circle. So okay, so we see, okay, this is holding the vibration, right? And then we put it here, and then we say, okay, if this is true, this should also hold. The circle is holding, the circle is holding, right? So there are some rules here for intraday, which I just explained. Once we have those rules, we can also say when we hit those yellow lines, market is saying to go long, precisely, and second one precisely. All right, so that is how you can use the axis aligned circles, and hope this upcoming year is going to be very much axis aligned towards your financial goals. Thank you so much.